Hey, it's Gina from WTI. If you're looking for a new and exciting flavor of black tea, you need to check out this Black Cask Bourbon from Harney & Sons. So I was really surprised when I opened the container because I was expecting maybe a very slight bourbonish scent to it, but it was like hit me in the face with how much this smells like bourbon. And not just that, but when you brew the tea, it's gonna taste like it too. There are some hints of vanilla and caramel as well, but definitely forward flavor on the bourbon. Normally, I would use 2 bags of tea when I'm brewing like a 12 to 14 ounce cup of tea. But what I've discovered with this tea is that actually makes it a little too strong, which is saying a lot for me because I like my tea to be really strong, but you really only need 1 bag and then you're gonna get a nice bold flavor. I like to add a little bit of cream and some sweetener to mine to really help all the flavors come together nicely. If you're looking for a fun gift for the tea drinker or bourbon drinker in your life, I would suggest having them try this. I've really been enjoying it, and that's my point of view.